Scott over at the Sencore shop, and today I'm going to discuss with you our Sencore 8100, our game changer. Some call it powerhouse. Here's why. This saw is going to give you 80 cc's, 5.5 horsepower motor, pound for pound, lightest and strongest saw out there. Now, what makes it unique is, let's start with the fuel system. It's called the AutoLube system. You're never going to have to mix your own oil. This is going to change your life forever. So we start off with 2 tanks. The green cap is the oil, the black is your gas. 2-stroke oil. Any oil will work, but we recommend the Sencore oil. 1 tank of oil gets you 10 tanks of gas. Now, when you run low on oil, the machine will start, but it will only idle. That indicates that you need to refill the oil. Now, the number 1 problem with handheld saws and pistons and cylinders, we eliminated that problem. With the Sencore 8100, you don't have to worry about a bad fuel mixture. The machine's going to do it for you. So, the second problem we addressed is the filtration system. Now, on a standard handheld saw, you have to change your filter, it's time consuming. And if you're out in the field, it's even more time consuming, because remember, time is money. Now, what you have to do is you have to unscrew the screws, take the cap off, take the filter out, clean it, put it back in, put the cap back on, put the screws back in. Wasting a lot of time. What we've done is we solved that problem for you. We've created a self-vibrating knob. Now this knob, all it has to do is be and what it does is it drops the dust down into these reservoirs. What will happen is, when you start this saw back up, it's going to blow out in the back. Boom, problem solved. Saved you time, saved your money, solved your problem. We've talked about the filtration system. We've talked about the AutoLube technology. We've talked about the power. 81 cc's, 5.5 horsepower motor. You're not going to find a stronger saw in the market. Let's talk about the technology we put to this saw to start it. You know, your conventional saws, it's a whole ritual to get it started. And you know what? Most of the time you're flooded. You lose 45 minutes to an hour on the job. First thing in the morning. No one wants to go through that. We've eliminated that problem for you. What we've done is made it easy as turning on a light. There's an on-off switch. There's also a primer bulb right here. You hit that primer bulb 3 or 4 times, turn the machine on, you hit the decompression valve, you pull the cord. Now you're in business.